Have you ever experienced a sudden cough or noticed a wheezing sound when breathing, leaving you wondering about the cause? Yes, absolutely. Wheezing and coughing can indeed be signs of a food allergy, often indicating that your body is reacting to something it perceives as a threat. These respiratory symptoms can occur when the immune system mistakenly attacks harmless food proteins. When someone with a food allergy ingests a specific food, their immune system, specifically the immunoglobulin E or IgE antibodies, overreacts. This triggers the releases of chemicals like histamine, which can cause inflammation and swelling throughout the body, including the airways. In the respiratory system, this leads to the narrowing of the bronchial tubes, making breathing difficult and producing that characteristic wheezing sound. The coughing is often a reflex to try and clear those irritated airways. It is important to remember that these symptoms can range from mild to severe, sometimes even becoming life-threatening, and often appear alongside other signs like hives, swelling, or digestive upset. If you suspect a food allergy is behind these symptoms, it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional. They can help identify potential triggers through a detailed medical history and possibly allergy testing. Keeping a symptom diary can also be very helpful, noting what you ate and when symptoms occurred. Understanding the role of immunoglobulin E-mediated reactions is key. This is the most common type of allergic reaction, usually appearing within minutes to an hour after eating. Unlike some other adverse food reactions, true food allergies involve your immune system directly, making these reactions potentially serious. Knowing this distinction can help guide your discussions with medical professionals. Ultimately, recognizing wheezing and coughing as potential signs of a food allergy empowers you to seek timely medical advice. Early identification and management can significantly improve your quality of life, allowing you to prevent reactions and respond effectively to symptoms, keeping you feeling your best.